Good morning everyone, it's me Drishya Yadav from grade 91 and I am standing before you to read today's news and let's begin with today's national news. Doctor across Nepal shut down outpatient care service in protest of recent assaults on medical professionals. Karnali Chief Minister Shahi formally assumed office and Foreign Minister Khanal was named to represent Nepal at the upcoming UN General Assembly. Now let's move to today's international news. The death toll reached at least 13 people following a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake that trapped workers and caused collapses at a southern Japan mall. Fighting was resumed between the USA and Iran following an Iran attack on the USA forces alongside joint strikes hitting proxy groups in the region. Let's move to today's sports news. Real Madrid confirmed star forward Vinicius Jr. will stay despite intense Arsenal interest. The Kathmandu Post reports that Nepal's women under-19 cricket team secured a third-place finish in the ACC Premier Cup, while the men's national volleyball team suffered a tight five-set loss to Sri Lanka. The word of the day is Glimmer, Glimmer. I repeat, Glimmer. It means a small sign of something. The thought of the day is every small step moves you forward, keep going. At the last, the weather forecast is the maximum temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius and minimum will be 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a great day ahead.